What a special moment that was, no, Vicky? Best debuts, they need all your love and your blessings, people. This is the next generation of actors and we deserve to encourage them. So another round of applause for all our debutants. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Next iPhone.
Good evening, Abu Dhabi.
Namaste, assalamu alaikum.
Love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ritesh Deshmukh and Mrs. Genelia Deshmukh. दो शब्द बोल दो.
Hello, Abu Dhabi. I would like to thank IFA in a very, very special way for recognizing our film. I love you too. But this film is one of heart. It's one that debuts Ritesh as a director and me, my first Marathi film. So it's always going to have that very, very, very special place in my heart. But I'm glad that I could share that place with all of you all. And I'm glad that IFA made it possible. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Abu Dhabi. How are you doing tonight? Okay, I want to thank IFA for honoring Wade here and honoring Marathi cinema. It really means a lot. It's a huge platform. And I want to thank everyone who is part of this film, and especially the one man who never says no to us, Mr. Salman Khan, Salman Bhau, for always being there supporting us. And Abhishek, Vicky, you are part of our story, so thank you so much. Thank you, Urvashi. Fardeen, I love you. And it's indeed a pleasure to receive this award from you. आणि महाराष्ट्रातल्या सर्व प्रेक्षकांचे मनापासून खूप खूप आभार. तुमच्यामुळे वेड हा चित्रपट तुम्ही एवढं प्रेम दिल्यामुळे आज आम्ही इथे येऊ शकलो. अबुधाबीला येऊन तुमच्यामुळे हा अवॉर्ड आमच्या हातात आहे. तुमचे कोटी कोटी आभार. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Dreamt of making a film and I'm so happy that he gets to do this after so long and do it so successfully. And it's only possible because of one person and that's his wife. Congratulations. And it's only befitting that Genelia's parents are also here clapping so loudly. Well done, Auntie. तेरा ये अगले साल का क्या प्लान है?
अगले साल का कैसे पता है यार? मुझे तो अगली लाइन का ही नहीं पता है. टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर बंद हो गया है. टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर शुरू कर दो यार. सच में जनरली बंद हो गया है. हाँ, थैंक यू.
लेकिन बता. Yes, please now.
Not used to this. The next IFA award for Best Story Adapted goes to Amir Kian Khan and Abhishek Pathak for the movie Drishyam 2.
Abu Dhabi, you've been incredible. Namaste. Abhishek is not here right now. Kumarji is here with us. I just like to thank the Almighty first of all. I'd like to thank Abhishek Pathak, the captain of the ship. I'd like to thank Kumarji and Mr. Ajay Devgan for trusting me with my first film, my second film, my third film, and my fourth. Ruchika, I love you. I'd like to thank my parents because the struggle's always been theirs more than mine. 15 saal lage when I shifted to Bombay. They just have one question for me कि खाना खा लिया? And I'd say हाँ खा लिया. And they knew I was lying because नहीं थे पैसे. And I'd ask them कि आपने खाना खा लिया? They'd say हाँ खा लिया. And I knew they were also lying. So that was the phase. And the struggle has always been a shared struggle. I'd also like to thank my best friend Saurabh Ganeriwala because जब rent के वैसे नहीं होते थे 7 साल बॉम्बे में, he'd always take care of me. So I'd like to dedicate this award specifically to all the Saurabh Ganeriwalas of the world who've had our backs. And last but not the least, I'd like to thank this award to Mr. Jeetu Joseph, who I believe is the father of the Drishyam franchise. without whom this wouldn't exist. Thank you, everyone. First nomination, first victory, inshallah, the first of many to come. Thank you.
रेवोल्यूशनाइज किया है, जो अपने नाम, अपने काम और अपने चाव से दुनिया भर में मशहूर है। In spite of being a superstar, he never stopped experimenting. जितने अलग किरदार उन्होंने निभाए हैं, शायद ही किसी ने कोशिश भी की। सदमा का वो क्लाइमैक्स, नायगन का वो गुस्सा, चाची की 420, दशावतारों में अनेक अवतार, एजेंट विक्रम का सुपरस्टार स्वैग, आनंद विक्रम, he has always left audiences spellbound. He is a global icon, a megastar, a legendary actor who has performed magic his way through the decades. जिन्होंने तमिल फिल्म में सबको इनामत करने के बाद हिंदी फिल्मों में भी अपना कमाल दिखाया। Mr. A.R. Rahman.
It's such a great honor to give this award to Mr. Kamal Haasan. He's been an inspiration to multiple generations. Very few artists inspire you to be through his acting, through his stories. As an artist, he's inspired all of us. I know that sometimes people prefer convenience to quality. And I kind of miss his presence in many industries because of that. I feel like we missed out. He's not even given this 10% or 20% of the industry to not himself.
It is with the greatest pride that I have the honor to welcome on stage Olga Nayak and ladies and gentlemen, Shri Kamal Haasan.
Everybody. It's not a pun, but I'm speechless. The fact is, I'm a child of cinema. I grew up in cinema. I came in when I was 3.5. You've been kind enough to allow me to survive till this day. I'm very thankful and humble. Now this achievement award, I'll have to go back, work and deserve it. I'm blushing now. So, thank you very much. அனைவருக்கும் நன்றி.
Okay, call the guards. Two guards.
लेकिन एक हुनर ऐसा है जो एक्टर्स को कैरेक्टर में कन्वर्ट कर देता है। यस, यू गेस्ड इट, रॉन्ग। मैं उनके कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइन की बात कर रहा हूँ। कॉस्ट्यूम्स एक फिल्म के एरा और कैरेक्टर्स को रियल बनाते हैं।
Can Manish please come and take this award? I think you're the only one that I know that works with every actor from every generation all the time, and that's brilliantly always.
सिमकार के बिना यूजलेस। पिक्चर कितनी भी अच्छी हो, सपोर्टिंग एक्टर्स के बिना इनकम्प्लीट होती है। हमारा अगला अवार्ड है परफॉर्मेंस इन अ सपोर्टिंग रोल मेल, एंड द नॉमिनीज आर
Anil Kapoor for Chuk Chuk Chio, Shah Rukh Khan for Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva, Abhishek Banerjee for Peria, Vijay Raj for Gangubai Kathiawadi, Sikandar K for Monica Oh My Darling.
नेक्स्ट
Thank you, Arfa. Thank you all for being here. And I want to thank the entire team of Joe. I enjoyed coming to Abu Dhabi. Sincerely. You have been one of the best crowds, best people, audience I have witnessed. Thank you so much. And thank you for this. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Anil Kapoor.
Let me thank Varun Dhawan, who was the big match son, there was B2G, there was Raj Naik, and I want Mr. Sikandar Kher to come on stage. Sikandar Kher. My fellow nominee, Mr. Sikandar Kher, please come on stage. I had that in mind, I'm invited on stage. Fan, Sikandar Kher, he's a great actor. Possibly the most embarrassing moment of my life. Because I'm looking older than you are. I'm looking older than you are. That's very sweet, Anand. Thank you. Thank you, Raj Mehta. Thank you, Karan Johar. Thank you, Apurva. Thank all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
क्षमा कर दीजिए प्लीज, घर जाना पड़ेगी इसे।
The Indian film industry is a gold mine of talent और यहीं से आज एक shining performance को मिलेगा ये अगला award.
The next award is for performance in a supporting role female, and the nominees are
Moni Roy for Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva, Tabu for Drishyam 2, Radhika Apte for Monica Oh My Darling, Shiva Chadha for Padhai Do, Nimrit Kaur for Tasvi.
and to present the award for performance in a supporting role female, may we please call Diya Mirza, Isha Gupta, and Mr. R. Madhavan.
I love you.
मेरी एक थियरी है, डायरेक्टर्स का नाम
All is well. All is well. Wow. Thank you so much. It's wonderful getting it from you both. I'm very thrilled. I'm at a loss of words, but I have a few things to say. First of all, thank you, IFA. I've been here from its very infant stages, part of this organization. It's wonderful to see you all grow and become such a coveted award, and I'm very happy to be receiving this on my debut film at the IFA. So thank you so very much, everybody involved. Thank you so much, Abu Dhabi, for being the most spectacular host. And I just like to say that thanks. Vedant for offering to come and take the award in case I didn't make it here because of my flight. But I think you've been up on many podiums. It's my turn. I didn't want to let it go. Thanks. I love you too. Sarita, my wife, has a really cute smile. And she has a very cute laughter. But I can never forget this one laughter that I heard from her when, on the day that I realized that apart from writing this film and producing it and acting in 3 languages and 8 countries, I was compelled to direct it. And when I told her that, she started to laugh really loud from the belly, And to me, it sounded like Dolby Atmos 7.0 made half hyena, half horse sort of a laughter. She says, she said, are you mad? And that was 5 years ago. And honey, I just want to tell you, Meri Janki, I'm not mad. I'm Maddie, and we did it. And by we, I mean the extraordinary team Rocketry that put this film together.
This is a passion project for all of us. And so let me start thanking the people who really deserve this award more than me. Firstly, my brother Vijay Mulan, Mr. Varghese Mulan, I don't know where you are, I'm sure you're here somewhere, and Sunny, my brother, and my Anil from 27th Entertainment, my producers who stood by me like a rock through COVID era after investing all the money and waited for the right time to release the film and trusted me completely. I'm forever indebted to you. Thank you so much. By we, I mean Team Rocketry, who believed in me completely, who did things that I would never expect. As a debut director, you don't expect to compete with such stalwarts, people who I'm a fan of, and then to get me here, I really want to take every one of yours name and thank you personally because you deserve this award as much as I do. But after COVID, these names are becoming a problem for me, so I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, Team Rocketry, every department.
We have now reached a stage where we have to announce one of our most important awards of the night, the award for Best Hey, Varun, चुप बैठना है, Varun,
क्या हो गया?
होस्ट करने की कोशिश. And to present the award for performance in the leading role. अजीब लगता है ना, मैं nominated हूँ, मैं खुद सब लोग को बुला रहा हूँ कि आ जाओ. नहीं मिल रहा है. समझ में आ गया, नहीं मिल रहा है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. चेक तो मिल गया मुझे उससे का. विनर को कहाँ मिलने वाला है चेक? हाँ, नहीं आप चेक तो दीजिएगा, हाँ सर. Hypnotize, okay. All right, I present the award for performance in a leading role, male. May we please call upon Mr. Nobuchaka Suzuki, Executive Officer Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and Mr. Anil Kapoor.
The Nexa iPhone Award for performance in the leading role male goes to Hrithik Roshan for Vikrant.
Everybody else, I was a huge fan. और मुझे opportunity मिली कि मैं ऋतिक सर को live stage like this. I just want to take this opportunity, if you permit, I could do एक पल का जीना with you on this stage.
Thank you. I don't know about all of you, but this is the greatest night of my life. Thank you, Hrithik sir, we love you. Present the award for performance in a leading role female. May we please call upon stage. And to present the award for performance in a leading role female, may we please call upon stage Mr. Shashank Srivastav, Senior Executive Officer Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and Kriti Sanan. Winner announce करेंगे इस साल की winner. Hi Kriti.
Hi Vicky. Hi Abhishek.
Hello Kriti.
Hello Abu Dhabi. How are you all doing? It is lovely to be back again this year. Nexa IFA Award for performance in a leading role female goes to Alia Bhatt for Gangubai Akhawari.
सर आप गंगूबाई के स्टाइल में थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं।
आलिया जी कोई कारण से आ नहीं पाए, मैं ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आलिया जी ये रिसीव कर रहा हूँ और मुझे प्राउड है कि इस फिल्म के साथ संजय लीला बंसाली जी, आलिया जी, पूरी टीम के साथ हम जुड़े। बहुत बहुत थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
कुछ कहने का वक्त आ गया है।
गुड बाय ज़्यादा हार्डेस्ट, पर ये गुड बाय नहीं है बल्कि सी यू अगेन है अगले साल के लिए।
Yes, we will see you in another part of the world as IFA continues its journey across the world to celebrate the magic of Indian cinema.
Thank you so much, Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much for coming in.
Have a great year. Stay blessed. Good night and thank you.